Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at population and sample. And so in statistics, population is the entire group we want to analyze. And so example, the grades of all students in a high school. And sample is a portion of the population that we are going to analyze. For example, the grade of 60 randomly selected students. And so you can see population is the whole and sample is a section of that whole. And so example 1 here. Which of the following are a population and which are a sample? So the heights of 25 students in a school, so that's a sample. The weight of all family members, so that could be a population. The price of 20 cars from a dealership, okay, so that's a sample. You're not all of the cars, but just 20 of them. And D, the ages of the entire population of Canada. Well, that is a population. Okay, time for some practice. Practice number 1. Which of the followings are a population and which are a sample? Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So the number of books sold to 30 people, that's a sample. The salary of all employees of a company, that's a population. The number of trucks owned by Canadians, that's a population. The cost of gas for 100 people, that's a sample. The number of cell phones sold by a company, population. And the number of cars sold by 5 employees, that is a sample. And that's it. It's that simple. I'll see you guys in the next video.